Hey there! Ever wonder why your stomach growls when you're hungry? It's not just your tummy throwing a tantrum. It's actually your digestive system at work, moving air and food through your intestines. When your stomach is empty, those movements create sound waves, hence the growling. It's your body's way of saying, hey, it's time to eat. So next time you hear that rumble, don't ignore it. Feed your body the nutrients it needs to keep going strong. And if you found this interesting, make sure to like and subscribe for more fun facts.